Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5070312 on your Windows 11 computer. Then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to pause and restart the update. So you can go to Windows Update. Over here you can see pause option, so hit pause over here, and once the update is paused, now resume the updates and then check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK, and then make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now still not working. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Now make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down here, you can see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now you can try to update, still not working. The next step is to run these commands are provided in the video description. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, and make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow, and then copy all these commands one by one. So copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. The scan will take some time, and once the scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window. Once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. If you see the retry option, you can hit retry and then you can check. Now still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now on this website, write down the name of the update, that is KB5070312, and then click on search. Now over here you can check your system type first. So open Windows settings, and then you can go to system, and then you can go to about option over here, and in my case its system type is 64-bit. Now for this Windows 11 version 23H2 x64 base system. So if your system type is x64, you can select this is the right one for me, click on download, and over here you will see this update KB5070312. Click on it and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file. You can install this update manually and then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update option. For this, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and then go to advanced option over here, and then go to recovery option, click on recovery, and then here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So you can click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, you can use media creation tool. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool, click on download now, and then run this exe file, and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here, and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save, and then let the download complete. This process will take some time, and once the download is complete, click on finish over here, and then let this close automatically. It will take few seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, and then make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept over here, and then here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then you can update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.